Hey guys, this is Luis. Alright, we set up our lab over here. We have our DC, we have our NAT, and we have our SCCM over here, even though we haven't touched it. Now, this is gonna be a really short video, but it's a very useful one, at least for us that we are in the process of learning this. This is a PowerShell command that I found over the internet. Let's see. Get BM. Get dash bm. Now, this command only gives me the names and the status and the memory assigned of the VMs. This command by itself, the only thing that does is just populate the names of those machines, the names and maybe some information about those machines. Now, let's take a look when I pipe this command towards the other command. Checkpoint BM. All right, the symbol in the middle, this symbol right here, is called a pipe. Is right above your enter key. Just hit the shift key and that key over there, and it's gonna pipe. The pipe, what it does is the result from the get bn command. Those results is gonna input it into the checkpoint command. Checkpoint is nothing but a snapshot. It's nothing but a safe state of your computer at this specific moment. Uh, this is very useful because what happens, we set up our lab, what happens down the road whenever something breaks on some, or mess something up and we don't know how to fix it. Checkpoint BM is gonna save you a lot of times. Uh, if you break something up, you're gonna have to start either from scratch or go back to a state that where you actually knew what you were doing. Checkpoint BM is just a safe state. It's just gonna save the state of the computer at this moment. All right. So I do not start any lab until I checkpoint my BM to a state that I know they work, to a state that I recognize it's everything's working properly. So get BM, we're gonna get those results, we're gonna pipe it to the checkpoint BM, and we're gonna click enter. You see the creating checkpoints over here, and that is done. Now we have a state where we can continue working on these machines, and whatever happens, we break something or we touch something that we weren't supposed to, we can always go back to this state. We can always go back to this, right? We can actually rename this over here, give it a name to the state, and we saving the state, telling to remind ourselves that this computer at this point in time was completely clean. We can actually even do that from the command itself. We're gonna snapshot name, let's say, what should we call this? Domain, meaning, I don't know, that all of the computers, the domain is up and all of the computers are linked to the domain. Let's just call it domain, all right? We're gonna create the state, we're gonna create the snapshot, and everything happens in the background. We're gonna create the snapshot, and if we see over here, we have a clean state, a clean save point, and a domain save point. And this is, of course, our current state. So this is a simple PowerShell command, but again, it's gonna save you a lot of times down the end. It's gonna save you um, an awesome amount of time. I'm telling you, because just for practice, just for security measures, just checkpoint your VM, save your states on your VMs, and you'll be fine. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.